How to change the name of my game in Roblox Studio. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to change the name of your game in Roblox Studio. To do it, you still want to make sure to watch this video until the end. First thing first, what you want to do is come to your Roblox.com on the browser and next click on Create from the top left hand side corner. As you go to the Creations tab or the Create tab, you will then be able to see the game that you want to go ahead and make sure to change the name. So what next you want to do is simply go ahead and select the game. First of all, go to Creations tab and here create the game. Alright, so here's my game. I am going to click on it and it will then be taken to this field. So click on Edit in Studio and this is going to open up the studio. So click on Open Up and it's gonna take a while in order to load it up, so just be patient enough. So right over here, when you open the game, you want to click on Game Settings from the top left hand side corner, and next you want to simply go ahead and click on Save to Roblox. Now then, here you could go ahead and make sure to give a name. So go ahead and change the name and click on Save. This is how you could go ahead and change the name of your game in Roblox Studio. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.